Imagine a world where everything changes in the blink of an eye. In just 100 years, society transformed from agrarian to industrial, and the effects are still shaping our lives today. Welcome to the Industrial Revolution. Hey everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most monumental shifts in human history, the Industrial Revolution. Spanning from the late 18th century to the early 20th century, this period was marked by groundbreaking innovations, massive economic changes, and a complete overhaul of daily life. But why does this century of change matter to us today? Well, the roots of our modern conveniences, social structures, and even our environmental challenges can be traced back to this incredible era. But before we jump into the details, I want to hear from you. What do you think was the most significant invention during the Industrial Revolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's break it down. The Industrial Revolution began in Britain, fueled by innovations like the steam engine and the spinning jenny. These inventions revolutionized how goods were produced, enabling mass production like never before. Suddenly, things that took weeks to make could be completed in days. And it didn't just change factories, it transformed society. People flocked to cities for jobs, and urbanization skyrocketed. By the 19th century, millions were living in bustling metropolises, leading to new social dynamics and challenges, including labor movements and public health crises. Transportation also saw a revolution. The introduction of railways and steamships connected people and markets across vast distances, shrinking the world and boosting trade. It was a time when you could travel in days what once took weeks. And let's not forget communication. The telegraph and later electricity changed how we interacted. News traveled faster than ever, and the world was more connected, laying the groundwork for our digital age. So, in just 100 years, the Industrial Revolution reshaped our world in ways that still resonate today. It was a time of progress, innovation, and, yes, challenges. But it also reminds us of the incredible capacity for change we have as humans. So, what's next for us? How will we adapt to the challenges of our time just as our ancestors did? If you enjoyed this journey through history, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating content. And remember, every revolution starts with a single idea. What will yours be? See you next time. See you.